DOOSAN CNC Vertical Machining Center, model MV3016, serial number AV4EO660. Machine was new in 2008. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a 40 taper cat spindle, 8,000 RPM. That's your Z. You have 20 in the Z, 16 in the Y, 32 in the X. You have a T-slotted table, 36.2 by 17.7, 8,000 RPM spindle. This machine is a box weigh machine. 2,500 RPM. 4,500 RPM. 6,500. Spindle is nice and quiet. You have a side mount tool changer, 24 ATC capacity, or 24 tool. Machine also has a chip conveyor and coolant. Hunting for a tool and going to find it, another tool change. All right, it's original paint, and hey, thank you for watching our video.